What's going on, you guys? So I'm gonna do a riding video on our Polaris Sportsman 570 SP because we gotta do an oil change on it. So I'm gonna go ride it around real quick. Let's do a little quick ride on it. I'm high right now. But it's got about 69 hours on it right now. So I'm gonna put at least a little bit more hours on it. Probably gonna put like 70 or so on it. Then gonna do it. So, but my dad just said go ride it around and then do it. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna avoid the mud because my dad said we're gonna do it tonight. If I don't get it muddy, so I gotta dodge the mud. It's fun. Cruising at about 20. It's Sunday. That's spring break, the week break. Break is right now. Get all week off. Yeah. Go this way. Oh, that's more mud. Go this way. Truck's been back here. People own this property, more than likely. Ugh. I don't like that. Trails right there. People who own this property don't really like us going out there because it leads. People follow our tracks, or I mean our trail that we make, and people follow it and go on this property, and they don't like that. They hunt on this property. They hunt, and they don't really want people out here. Look, they're hunting. If I see a truck or so, and I'm out here, I'll just turn around and go straight back to the house. Just so I'm not bothering them. I scare the deer their way. got some. I don't know what happened. There's a few more missing from it from when my dad bought it. My dad bought it for me for my 500, but yet again, they don't fit. So we're gonna put them on this. Come up over these hills real quick. I'll show you this downhill descent. It's pretty cool. Drop it down in a low. I'm just in two-wheel drive right now. Climb up over these hills. Whoa! Alright, I'm gonna turn on downhill descent real quick. That's just 4x4, then downhill descent. You put a little more. When you're going, it's just 4x4, but once you let off the gas, it goes. You see that. I'll show you this real quick. It like makes you inch down a hill. Here, I'll do it on this one over here. This one over here is pretty steep. With the power steering, it doesn't really affect on the four-wheel drive on your power steering. It doesn't really affect it. Alright, here we go. Gas, brake. The engine. Now let's just do it on four-wheel drive. So right now it's just a 4x4. And then we'll do it in two-wheel drive. There we go. A lot faster. And then now two-wheel drive. Put it back in the HUD and go back to the house. I'll plug it on the hill real quick. Hope you all enjoyed. I'm gonna go do this oil change real quick. If y'all enjoyed, talk to y'all later. Bye.